Hi everyone, and welcome back to English with Panah. How are you all doing today? I hope you are feeling amazing because today we're diving into something really practical and super useful for anyone learning English. In the previous lesson, part A of Unit 4, we talk about some words. If you haven't watched it yet, you can check it now and then go back to watch the streaming video. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask questions about words in English. Imagine you're in a conversation or a class and you want to ask, what does this word mean? Or what's this called in English? Knowing how to ask these questions makes learning English so much easier. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to do it. Let's jump right in. We have a chart here. It has two columns, one column for questions and one column for answers. Imagine you want to ask about the meaning of a word. You say, for example, you have a question about the meaning of awful. You say, what does awful mean? You answer, I don't know. Or it means terrible. You should not say what means awful. It is a wrong sentence. Okay, the next question is, for example, there is a picture or there is an object. You wanna know what's the word for it in English. You say, so what's this called in English? I can't remember. Or it's a spoon. Or you can say, how do you say fils in English? Fils is a French word. Son or fils is French for son. You can ask about a word in your own language and ask about the word for it in English. Okay, next question. Could you explain no vacancies? Yes, you see it in a hotel window. It means the hotel is full. There are no free rooms. Not could you explain me no vacancies? This is a wrong sentence. Next question. What's the difference between hello and hi? The meaning is the same. The meaning is the same, means they are synonym. But hi is informal. You say hi to your friends. You don't say hi to your boss because maybe he fires you. The next question. What's the opposite of big? Small. Small and big are opposite or are antonym. How do you pronounce tie? It's like my. 8 is pronounced like night. Is that right? Is that correct? No, that's wrong. Or that's not right. That's not correct. It's pronounced like wait. How do you spell apple? I'm not sure. Is it 1P or 2? It's A, double P, or PP, L, E. In American, we see PP, not double P. And double P means 2 P's. Okay, let's take it into practice. Number 4. Match 1 to 6 with A to G. How do you spell your name? C. It matches with C. A, double N, or NNA. Number 1. How do you say cup in German? I don't know. I only speak French. It matches with F. Number 2. What's the opposite of close? Open. Number 3. What does tiny mean? Very small. Number 4. How do you pronounce wait? It's like wait. Number 5. Could you explain hello? It's what you say when you meet a friend. Number 6. Come and go mean the same thing. No, they don't. That's wrong. Number 5. Complete the dialogues. What does awful mean? Terrible. Number 1. What's this called in English? It's a frying pan. Number 2. How do you pronounce what? It's like hot. Number 3. How do you spell I? I'm not sure. I think it's E-Y-E. Number 4. What's the difference between bye and goodbye? Bye is more informal. Number 5. Pen is the same as pencil. Is that right? No, that's wrong. That's not right. Number 6. What's the opposite of interesting? Boring. Number 7. What does enormous mean? It means very big. Number 8. Could you explain exit? You see it on a door. It means you can go out there. Okay, now test yourself. Number 6. Write a question using each word. Pause the video, write your answers, and then I put the possible answers here. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. Now you know how to ask questions like a pro. Remember, asking questions about words is the best way to improve your vocabulary and learn faster. Don't forget to practice these phrases every day and try them out with your friends or teachers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to English with Panah for more fun and helpful lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.